Cast iron pan, the knife, and the cutting board are my three favorite pieces of kitchen equipment, and here's how to keep care of them. All right, let's start with the cast iron pan. When you wash it, you just want to scrub it with hot soapy water and then dry it out, and then immediately when it's dry, just hit it with a little bit of oil and take a paper towel and just kind of rub the oil in all the cracks and all the edges, and it keeps it really nice and seasoned. Next up is a cutting board. If you find that your board is ever getting a little dry, you can put some good canola oil on it, rub it in, let it sit overnight, and you can kind of like bring your cutting board back to life. And the third one is a chef knife. This is how I keep it sharp. 1, don't ever put it in the dishwasher. 2, get yourself a steel so when you do some cooking and cutting, you can just sharpen the edges. If you can't go fast, go away from you, go slow at like a 20-degree angle. Just nice and easy, and that will stay sharp. So those are 3 of my favorite kitchen tools and how to take care of them.